Hi, I'm SD. Today I will talk about our website which name is free.shiba.limited, and this is the legit website. And now I am telling you how you will earn the lots of Shiba tokens from here. As you know, the now Shiba coin works very truly good and very fast and to the sky. So you watch this video and take the knowledge how you earn from this website the lots of Shiba. It's in their website. You see the full website and you see also my earnings, that 37 lakh 23,206 tokens, and this is the wallet. This is the rate of 1 Shiba equals to 1 my Shiba Inu token, and this is my balance. And there was the thing is their minimum withdrawal is 1.5 crore token. If you want, then you put your wallet address on the box section and withdraw it. This is very legit website. There is no any problem with this, and the lost of thing is here to know about Shiba and earn Shiba, and it's work very briefly. And now I am telling you how to use this website for earning Shiba Inu tokens. If you click on three dots, you in menu option you first take the dashboard referrals. You income from referrals, you income from autofocus. There was the autofocus. As you see, the focus is 15-minute focus, and you get 600 tokens free on 15 minutes run of this. And the PTC, there was the PTC is the main thing where you got the lots of Shiba Inu token. You can see this, the 7,500 tokens for just in 3 seconds. You click to go, and there you got 7,500 tokens on your wallet. And the opinion of my using on the loss of day I using this website and earning lots of token. It's a very legit website. Please come, please join with Shiba and take this token on your wallet. This is the very golden opportunity. Thank you.